Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a major development in the region. At least 304 people have been confirmed dead in Haiti after a 7.2 magnitude earthquake. The quake also jolted several countries in the Caribbean, including Jamaica this morning. Haiti is also reporting significant infrastructure damage. Now, here in Jamaica, the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, says there's been no report of damage to infrastructure. Anthony Logg reports.
The aftermath of an earthquake in a section of Haiti Saturday morning. Infrastructure damage, pain, and sorrow. Some citizens even dug through rubble in an effort to find their loved ones. The quake hit the west of the country, with its epicenter about 8 kilometers or 5 miles from the town of Petit-Trou-de-Nipe. Up to late Saturday afternoon, over 300 people were confirmed dead.
So I was actually jolted out of bed. I was reading in bed, and it was strong, definitely strong enough for me to feel it. Stood up, and it was essentially like the building was on water. So I was able to feel it. The team certainly was able to feel it, and certainly the team in NEEP, which bear the brunt of it. Everyone is just really worried about their families, and we're trying to ensure the safety and security of our team and communities we work with.
In January 2010, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake claimed the lives of over 200,000. Hundreds of thousands more were injured. In the meantime, Haiti's Prime Minister Ariel Henry has offered sympathies to relatives of victims of Saturday's earthquake. Mr. Henry confirmed in a tweet the loss of human life and damage in several geographic departments of the country. Mr. Henry says he has already mobilized the government to assess and help with the situation. Here in Jamaica, the earthquake unit says the tremor, located about 300 kilometers northeast of Port Antonio, Portland, was felt about 7:29 a.m. The focal depth was 10 kilometers, and the earthquake was felt across most parishes. Director of Research at the Earthquake Unit, Professor Simon Mitchell, says there was an aftershock of magnitude 5.2 and more are expected. Professor Mitchell says he was concerned by how long the shaking lasted.
I was somewhat concerned because the actual shaking went on for a certain period of time, and you could feel several pulses coming in. So it did suggest it might be a little way away.
He explained why the earthquake was felt so strongly in Jamaica.
This earthquake was further west than the one that struck Port-au-Prince, 11 years ago now. So it's closer to Jamaica, so we would have felt it more clearly than that one. I'm sure people in high-rises here felt it quite significantly.
The earthquake was also felt in the Dominican Republic, the Bahamas, Puerto Rico, Turks and Caicos Islands, and Cuba. Anthony Logg, TVJ News.